So f of x equal to mod x. Let us take, this is your x-axis, this is y-axis, this is your mod x graph, right? So next graph is what? Mod x minus 2. This is your x-axis, this is y-axis. So that means put y 0, that is 2 comma 0, put x 0, 0 comma 2. This is the graph. The same idea, you have to shift the graph 1 unit right? Mod x minus 1. X-axis you consider as mirror, and whatever the above portions will be there reflected with respect to x-axis, right? This is mod x minus 1. Then you have to shift the graph 2 units up. That means this is 1 comma 0, this is 0 comma 1, this is 2 comma 1, sorry, 1 comma 1, this is 1 comma 2. So the graph will be like this. So here will be 0, here will be minus 1 comma 0. So here is, you can see 2, here is 3 comma 0. Draw all the graph in the one graph. This is your mod x first graph. This is your 2 comma 0. This is your 0 comma 2. Shift the graph 2 units right. The 1 comma 2. This is your 1 comma 2 here. Okay. And then here is 0 comma 1 here. So graph is like this. This is your 3 comma 0. Clear? This is minus 1 comma 0. 1 comma 2. You have to check the differentiability wherever the sharp edge is there. So that is the differentiability. Sharp edge is there. Definitely that points the function is not differentiable. Why? Because there is no unique tangents at that point. So you cannot able to check the differentiability at the end point also, because right hand derivative and left hand derivative should be same, because end points it is not possible. So you have to check the where these curves are intersecting. Here is minus 1 by 2. Here is 0. Here is 1. Fine. This is 2 and this is 5 by 2. Sharp edge is there. Definitely when you take less than minus 1 by 2, which is the, you can see all the graph, green color, red color and yellow, white color, which is the minimum here. If less than minus 1 by 2, you can see this, the minimum is this one. If you take minus 1 by 2 to 0, which is the minimum, this is the minimum. Let's take 0 to 1, which is the minimum. Among all the graph, this is the minimum, right? Okay, let's take 1 to 2, which is the minimum. This graph is the minimum, right? And then 2 to 5 by 2, this is the minimum. And then 5 by 2 to 3 is there, which is the minimum. Minimum means among all these green color, red color and white color, among this, which is the minimum, right? When you take less than minus 1 by 2, 0, 1 and 2 and 5 by 2. These are the point sharp edges attain. Here 1, right? If you see the graph, exactly this point and yes, this point, sharp edge is there. So we cannot check at 3 and minus 1 because endpoints, the differentiability does not exist, right? Okay, I hope everyone understand. So number of non-differentiable point is what? Minus 1 by 2, 0, 1, 2, 5 by 2. There are 5 points are there, non-differentiability, right?